In this video, I will show you how to stop from locking Windows 11 automatically. So click on Start and search here Settings. Now here click on Accounts. Click on Sign In Options. Now here click on Dynamic Lock. Uncheck this option. Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. In case it's selected, so uncheck it. Now close it. Now here search Screen Saver. Click on Change Screen Saver. In screensaver, you have to select blank, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now restart your system. So this way guys, you can stop computer from locking. Now close it and restart your system. So this way you can stop computer from locking Windows 11 automatically. Thanks for watching.